Mohenjo-Daro, an ancient city located in present-day Sindh, Pakistan, was one of the major urban settlements of the Indus Valley Civilization, which flourished around 2500 BCE. It is considered one of the earliest cities in the world, showcasing the advanced urban planning, architecture, and social organization of its inhabitants. The rise of Mohenjo-Daro. Mohenjo-Daro, meaning Mound of the Dead, in Sindhi, was a thriving metropolis during the Bronze Age, contemporary with ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia. The city was part of the Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's earliest urban societies. It covered an area of about 300 hectares and is thought to have had a population of around 40,000 people. Urban planning and architecture. The city was remarkably well-planned, with streets laid out in a grid pattern, sophisticated drainage systems, and standardized building materials like baked bricks. Some key features of Mohenjo-Daro include the Great Bath, a large public water tank, possibly used for religious or ceremonial purposes, is one of the most iconic structures of the site. Granaries, large buildings believed to have been used to store grain. Residential areas. Homes were constructed with private wells and bathrooms, indicating a focus on hygiene and sanitation. Mohenjo-Daro's advanced water management system is one of its most impressive achievements. The city had a complex network of drainage systems to manage waste and prevent flooding, with homes connected to main sewers, a feat unparalleled at the time. The people of Mohenjo-Daro were skilled craftsmen, traders, and farmers. The city's economy likely thrived on agriculture, and there is evidence of trade with Mesopotamia and other ancient civilizations. The artifacts found at the site, such as seals, pottery, jewelry, and tools, suggest a sophisticated culture with its own script, though the Indus script remains undeciphered to this day. If you like my video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.